Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're revisiting another classic. We've already done the seabreeze, but we're gonna make you one with a little bit of a special twist. You know how much I love fluffy juice. We're gonna do a fluffy seabreeze. So everyone, this is the seabreeze. The classic seabreeze, made fluffy with the aerated juice. An underrated classic. This is one of the most basic drinks that you can have, but it's also, when done correctly, one of my personal favorites. Let's get into it. Don't forget, please click like at the bottom. If you're enjoying all these recipes, make sure you get that like button clicked. Don't forget to subscribe as well. That way you'll never miss any of our great videos. Okay, let's get right into it and start making this drink. So first up, we're gonna get our vodka straight in, and we're gonna wanna have 45 mils, that is Absolut Vodka. We're gonna put 45 straight in. Beautiful tall glasses, Spill King at his best. No, we're gonna put the same amount of cranberry juice in. So we want another 45 mils of cranberry. The last thing we need to do now is just ice up the glasses and top up with fresh grapefruit juice. We're gonna do this in my trusty favorite, which is a centrifuge. So let's get into it. You know I can't peel goddamn citrus fruit right now. So let's just see. This is easier than the orange. But come here, like, watch when I rip into the skin. Can you see like all the oils come off? That's how much oil is in the skin of citrus. Hold that up. What the hell is this? This isn't weird. Read out loud. We start at 8:30 and not 9:30. I'll be the judge of that. Stick that straight in, push it in. We're probably gonna need a little bit more. We've got a half here, so I'm gonna juice that. Boop. I reckon that should be enough. We're gonna turn this up. We done. Next up, we're gonna ice up those glasses. Ooh. And then we're gonna top up with a little bit of the fluffy grapefruit. And finish off with that classic. There we have it, guys. The classic seabreeze, one of my personal favorites. Let's get into it. Banging. Don't forget, check out the last video if you want to see how to make it without a centrifuger and learn a little bit more about the history. But that's the Seabreeze 2.0. I'm Rico, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico, and I am out.